Welcome to Indian Farm Life. Have you ever wondered how one of world's most resistant grains is grown? Today we take you deep into rural India to explore the complete journey of bajra, also known as parlor millet. From seed who harvest, this is not just farming, this is tradition, survival and sustainability. बाजरा और बाजरा or pearl millet is one of the oldest cultivated grains in the world. It is widely grown in yield and symbolize registration region due to its incredibly ability to survive in harsh conditions. Rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, pears millets is now gaining poultry global as a superfood. This journey began with field profession and farmers carefully plow the land using tractors or traditional tools. The goal is to loosen the soil, making it ideal for seed germination. Sometimes organic fertilizers are added to improve soil health and boost productivity. Next comes the crucial step, sowing the seeds. The tiny millet seeds are either sown of the by hand over or with the help of seed drills. Farmer ensure proper spacing between rows to allow healthy crop down growth. Timing is key as the seeds are usually planted during the monsoon season. One of the biggest adventures of Bajra is its low weather requirement. Unique many other crops is can thrive with minimal irrigation. However, during the early stage, some weeding is necessary. Farmers also remove weeds and protect the crop to ensure healthy growth. Within a few weeks, small green shoots begin to appear. Gradually, the field transitions into a lush green legumes. This stage reflects the beauty of rural farming life in India. The crops continue to grow stronger under natural sunlight and seasonal rains. After about 2 months, the 2 to 3 months, the crop reaches maturity. Stalls developed with descriptive grain heads known as millet spicks. The spicks indicate the crop is ready for harvest. Harvesting is one of the most labor intensive stages. Farmers cut the crop manually or use machines depending on response. Often inter females come together to help with the harvest. It's a powerful display of teamwork, effort, and dedication. After harvesting, the crop is dried under the sun Grains are then Grains are then spared and cleaned. Finally, the bajra is cheddar strong for housefood user of sent market for sale. So this was the complete journey of bajra farming in India. More than just a crop, it respects responsibility, sustainability, and the hard-working spirit of farmers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Farm Life for more amazing farming stories from India. In some of the harshest climates on earth, farmers still grow food. This is the story of Bajra, also known as pearl millet, a grain that survives where most crops fail, a crop that feeds millions. But how is it actually grown? Welcome to Indian Farm Life. Today we take you on journey from tiny seed to fall harvest. It all began with the soil farmers preparing their land by power it carefully, breaking the hard ground into softer layer. Healthy soil means a healthy crop. Then come the seeds, small, almost invisible, but full of life, sown by hand or simple tools. Each seed carries the permission for food. With time and just a little wi- weather, green shoots begin to emerge. Day by day, the field transforms into a sea of grain. Unique other crops, bajra, don't demand much. Is grown in height. Its survive use is docked. This is what make it truly powerful. After weeks of growth, tall plants stand strong and at the top, golden grain hands appear. A color sing. Harvest time is near. Now come the hardest part, harvesting. Farmers cut the crop, bundle it. It's a inspection. The grains are direct, spreaded and processed for use. From field to food, bajra is more than just a crop. It's responsible, its survival, its life in its simplest form. If you enjoy this journey, like, share, and subscribe to Indian Farm Life because every grain has a story. For constitution, Bajra has been a lifeline for millions of absolutely to grow its poor soil and survival with minimal water. Weather makes is one of the most important grains in the world. Today is gaining global attention as a climate smart crop. The journey of Bajra begins long before the first seeds plants. Farmers preparing their field, carefully plowing the land, ensuring the soil is loose, offering and ready to support life. This step lays the found. for everything that falls. This is more than just farming. It's a story of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring spirit of farmers. If you found this journey insightful, subscribe to Indian Farm Life and explore more stories from the heart of rural India. Thank you, friends. Next part.